The Karma Revero is a plug-in hybrid sports sedan built in California. With its slick styling and great performance, if you want to stand out from the crowd, this is a car to consider. The only problem with this is that with around 1,100 cars sold, if you need replacement parts, it can be a real challenge. EMS was contacted because an owner of a 2019 Revero needed to replace a plastic rocker panel trim piece on their car. Unfortunately, he couldn't order a replacement from the dealer, and with less than 200 units sold for his model year, it was impossible to even find a salvage replacement. EMS reviewed the part with the customer and determined it could be 3D scanned and a replacement 3D printed. In addition, we showed the customer some other similar parts we had 3D scanned for other clients so he could see the detail and quality of our work. By removing the panel on the other side of the car, it could be 3D scanned and digitally mirrored over as the parts were identical. To get started, the customer carefully packed up the part and sent it off to EMS. Because the part is very long, narrow, and flexible, EMS fixtured the part as if it were mounted on the vehicle. This allows EMS to 3D scan the part all the way around in one setup. It would be impossible to put the part on the table, 3D scan it, turn it over, and 3D scan it again. As mentioned, because the part is flexible, the two data sets would never align. Another great benefit to 3D scanning the part is we can digitally edit the data after scanning. EMS cleaned up the 3D scan data by using tools such as digital sandpaper, hole filling, defeaturing, and other tools to remove any defects in the part such as dents, scrapes, and other imperfections. Once the 3D scanning was done and digitally cleaned up, the part was reviewed with the customer. As you can see, the data quality and level of detail is impressive. EMS also digitally filled in any missing areas the 3D scanner could not see. This is required so that the part is watertight and ready for 3D printing. Next, the digital data was sent to a 3D printer where it was printed in multiple sections and then bonded together. Once complete, it was off to an automotive body shop where the part was sanded, filled, and primed, and then painted to match the car's body color. As you can see, the part is a perfect match in shape, detail, and color, and the customer was extremely happy with the outcome. So whether you have a unique modern hybrid, a rare exotic, or a classic muscle car that needs replacement parts, 3D scanning may be an option for you. If you'd like to learn more how EMS could help you with your next project, give us a call at 877-845-2700 or send us an email at info@ems3d.com.